Good morning to everybody. This has been a ongoing solar panel project of mine. I have been doing solar for probably 3 to 4 years, but this is probably in the past 3 months that I've actually gotten a lot of it together and finally got a meter that actually can show some real live information that I haven't had before. As you can tell, this one's actually been running for 151 hours and it's produced 33.6 kilowatt hours, which is about averaging 3 kilowatts a day, and has been doing it pretty consistently. Currently, I'm just putting it right back into the house power. I'm not actually utilizing it on much. I do have a deep freezer and another refrigerator that is plugged directly into this circuit. So they're actually just kind of all sharing the same power. So if there is something that happens, at least I know that them two will get some kind of power. I'll take you around and show you how I've set up my panels. This is my panel setup. What I've actually intended was a place for all the kids' toys, some of my ladders, and be able to somewhat keep them in a dry spot, kind of out of the way. There was some intention to closing it in on to the side so it really hides that in like some little building look. The sun exposure on this side is, I'm definitely on the south side. One of the issues though, my house isn't exactly pointing the exact way it should be. It's more westerly, so a lot of my power comes from mid-afternoon into the late evening, but I have a pretty decent stand of trees and it really doesn't get all that westerly sun. It kind of gives it up about an hour before actual sunset, so I'm still getting a good amount. I do have a roof line that I could eventually take these panels and put up on that roof and really increase my hours, but obviously I don't have enough panels for that. These are ones I've bought off the internet. As you can tell, the top 6 I bought several years ago and are a different style, to where the bottom ones have improved so much that they're that much smaller. But in my opinion, they're doing far better than the old ones were, which is actually pretty amazing. Thank you for watching the video. If there's anything that comments that could help me out, I'd appreciate it. Thank you.